Hi friends, it's Liz here at Liz the Paper Project. Welcome to my channel. This is a giveaway video and I'm so excited about it. I am celebrating 5 years on YouTube. I can't believe that I've been making videos for 5 years and that I've been sharing all this with all of you for this time. I never thought I would be doing this, and I am so excited that this is something that I've been able to continue to do. So the giveaway is open internationally, and I'll ask you a question at the end of the video that you'll answer in order to enter. It is open to my subscribers, and what I'll be doing this time is giving away a few things actually. The last giveaway I had, the package took over 2 months to get to the UK. Insane how long it's taking. So I thought I would make a smaller package, still filled with lots of goodies. And then I'll also give away, in addition to what I'm sending out, you'll be able to select 5 of my printables in my shop. So I think that will be really nice because you'll be able to get that super quick. So thank you so much as well for supporting my channel by purchasing digitals in my shop. I do try and keep those prices very consistent and low so that you know, you can buy something that that you might want to work with. And what else did I want to say? Yes, and so of course I'm just going to quickly show you what I'll be including in the giveaway. So the first thing that you are going to be able to select are some of my printables, like I mentioned. I'll be including this brand new stamp set, which is one of my favorites. I use these in my journal entries, and I also like to stamp them and send them out to friends. My favorite one is the one down there that looks like the top of a clipboard. They're super fun. They come out really nice, and it's just such a really nice set of stamps. I'm also going to include one of my ephemera little clutches. I do have a tutorial showing you how I make these. Actually, I have a few tutorials showing you different versions on how to make this. I will be loading this one up with ephemera to send to you, the winner. And I did use my printable, which is the fabric printable that I have in my shop. There's like 3 different ones included in this, so I really love how these come out, and it's one of my favorite ones to make and to send to friends. So you'll also be able to select 5 of my printables, as I mentioned. I do have a variety of them in the shop, and I'm just loving you know, using these to send to you as well when I create something. And I've made them as well for some of my tutorials that I have below. If you're new to my channel, I do have many tutorials, craft with me videos, beginner junk journal videos as well. Those of you that are learning to make a junk journal, I have about 3 or 4 different ways to make them. I will have all those linked in the description box below. As well, you can check my blog for any of those details as well. I update my blog, my Instagram, my Facebook. If you follow me anywhere there, you'll see that a lot of this stuff I've shared with you already. So in order to enter the giveaway, you do have to be a subscriber. You let me know where in the world you're watching me from. I always love to know where you're watching me from. The last 3 people that won, I think one was in the UK, one was in the States, and the other one in Canada. So right now I'm just showing you the different printables that I have in my shop. Lately I've been into like French design, French fabric, French you know, journaling cards, ephemera, that sort of stuff. And so that's what you're seeing a lot more here. Recently, I saw someone using one of my printables in making a journal, and it was so gorgeous. It made me so happy. So thank you so much for sharing that with me. So in order to enter as well, you'll need to leave a comment in the description box below. And I'll ask you that question in a moment, what you need to let me know. Oh, please remember to like the video, subscribe if you are new to my channel, leave a comment below, hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming up. share my video if you want some of your friends to enter my giveaway as well. And if they let me know that you've sent them over, you'll get an extra 3 entries for that as well. The other way you can enter is if you make a video showing something that you've done from one of my tutorials and or something that you've made with one of my printables. And make sure to just, say that you're doing a VR for my channel, Liz the Paper Project, so that I can see what you've done. And that will give you 5 extra entries into this giveaway. So I'm just, I'm trying to do that as well. For those of you that actually take the time to do the extra, video or even post on Instagram or on Facebook, making sure that you tag me, letting me know that you have that, so that I can give you extra entries into the giveaway. So for sure, keep an eye on my channel as well. If you're a subscriber, I've got something fun coming up for September, which is my birthday month. I'll be adding some of your mail. Thank you so much to my journal entries. So I'll be sharing some of that. And before I forget, I do have a sale going on right now. Some of the ladies that have their journals in my shop through my consignment shop, some of their items are on sale, so check them out. I will link that below. If you are interested in getting help with me selling your journals, send me an email to see if you can join my consignment shop. I am loving being able to help others sell their work through through my channel as well. So send an email for that if you're interested. Okay, so if you're entering the giveaway, let me know where in the world you're watching me from, because I'd love to know. And also, what is your favorite craft supply or equipment? For me, I have to say that it is my Big Shot. So my die cutting machine is my favorite right now. I use it just about every single day, but I think that changes depending on what I'm working on and what my projects are. What is your favorite craft supply or crafty equipment that you use for that? All right, my friends, good luck. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey of creativity. I hope that you enter. I will leave details of how long this will be open for, because I don't know the dates right now. Check that out in the description box and also on my blog. Thanks so much for stopping by.